Hello friends, welcome to my famous, well-known, creative, popular, unique educational channel to watch more creative videos on Streamlit. It is the front-end tool of Python of machine learning. As we have gone through many videos on Streamlit, such as facial emotion recognition, we have seen using Python also, and we have seen using Streamlit also. Then we have seen gender classification using Streamlit, then gender classification using Python. Age and gender classification using Python, but not using Streamlit. We have seen many more videos, interesting, creative and informative videos on attendance system using Streamlit and attendance system using Python with TK interlibrary. We have seen chatbot using Streamlit. We have seen many videos on face detection using Streamlit. Today's video is really innovative, creative and interesting. It is all about gender and age classification using Streamlit. So let us go through the program code first. This is all about the program. Now, depending on the image, the age is classified. We will see different images, how it works for different images. Then now I will take my face first, download my image, predict yes 30. Now I will take another image, SRK11, check it out, Shahrukh, yes 35, because the photo is little bit here depending on pixel. Then I will take some aged up image of Anil Kapoor. Then we will see what it predicts. Here Anil Kapoor is aged image, his photo is aged. Here Anil Kapoor's not look little bit young and age is 63, gender is male. So I successfully done with age and gender classification using Python Streamlit. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on machine learning using Python, Streamlit, Keras, TensorFlow, CNN, DLIB, Seaborn, and many more videos on Streamlit and machine learning using Python. If possible, Node.js, React.js, if possible, new videos on MongoDB. Thanks for watching.